Hey, welcome to Try Trying Harder. I'm Guido, and today we're going to talk about this Dell Inspiron 14 2-in-1 laptop. First, I'll go over some of the specs, and then I'll give you my review. But hold up, to start, I need to thank Best Buy and Dell for giving me this product to review. Now, check out these specs that make this 2-in-1 the next laptop you should consider.
Sleek ice blue design for versatility and portability. This 14-inch 2-in-1 AI-powered performance PC is impressive. Great for multitasking and basic gaming at only 3.84 pounds. This laptop is barely thicker than a Diamond Edge. The right side has an SD card reader, headset jack, and USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A. Now on the left side are two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C, another USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, and an HDMI 1.4. This backlit mechanical keyboard with textured keys is smooth and responsive. A generous-sized precision touchpad is over a third of the keyboard space. A fingerprint reader power button gets you fast, secure access. Dedicated Copilot key keeps AI a button press away. Fully powered by AMD with a Ryzen 5 8640 series processor and AMD Radeon integrated graphics card. 16 gigs of DDR5 RAM and 512 gig SSD give your applications a place to play. 14-inch LCD 2K Full HD Plus touchscreen keeps everything crisp and bright with 30 nits and 60 Hz refresh rate. Center stage is a 2-megapixel 1080p webcam with privacy slide. The 360-degree hinge allows for flexibility with tablet, tent, stand, or laptop modes. An active pen is available to buy so you can naturally take notes. The back has a fan to keep this performance cool. Dolby Atmos enhanced audio keeps everything sounding good, and a 9-hour battery life keeps you going throughout the day.
Not too shabby. Let's get into how well it did. Bottom line, I think this is an awesome everyday computer. It boots fast with the SSD and the AMD Ryzen 5. I think backlit computers are a must these days. And the fingerprint reader allowed fast login. I really loved the 2-in-1 aspect. It was very handy to be able to have the laptop in different modes. I use this for everyday tasks, streaming, and video games. All of that performed well and sounded good. I used the touchscreen to play Blizzard's Hearthstone, and it was very fast, responsive, and clear. I used a controller and played some Xbox games like Forza Horizon 5, and again, it was fast, responsive, and clear. The webcam worked great for a video appointment. I liked all the ports on it that gave you some variety for your use. The battery life was good. This also has an express charge, which will get you 80% in 60 minutes. A few criticisms are that even though this is compact, I'm actually surprised it's not a little thinner. I have a 10-year-old Dell 2-in-1 with the same functionality, and it's thinner and lighter. This one did start to get a little heavy holding it in tablet mode. It's also hard to wake up from tablet mode. You need to use the keyboard. It's not expandable, so you're locked in at that 16 gigs of RAM. I also think the SSD is too small. It would have been better to throw a 1 terabyte in there so that you have more space for creating and more gaming. Like I pretty much just downloaded one game on here, but you could do the cloud streaming. In closing though, I would recommend this as a great everyday computer that includes some light gaming and creating. This is kind of a one-stop shop to give you a little of everything. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. What do you think of this 2-in-1? Is it worth it? I think it is. And my biggest annoyance, obviously, is the SSD. So Dell, when it comes to making a versatile PC and you handcuff it with a small SSD, try trying harder.